What is up, guys? My name is Talhan. You're watching Gadgets Sphere. Sorry for the bad noise. There's some construction work going on. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about the best Google camera with XML for the Poco X3 Pro. So I've given the link in the description, but just don't go and download because it won't work that well. There are some settings you need to change even after applying the XML. So make sure you watch the full video. So now how to download? First of all, go into the link and download the XML I have given you. So it is the link. Okay. So from here, if you just tap on the link, and open, like from here you can open, and now what you need to do is once you are into that, you need to download this APK. So as you guys can see, this is the APK which I'm downloading right now for the Google camera. And then I have also downloaded an XML. I'm using the Roni's one. You can use any XML you want. It doesn't matter like which one you use specifically, but the main part about downloading all of these is quality. So I have used this MKOSS XML. You can use any XML you want, it doesn't matter on that. What you need to do after downloading all of that is go into your file manager. In case you don't have a file manager, download an app called Zarchiver. In the Zarchiver, go in downloads. In downloads, what you need to do is you need to download the APK which you have downloaded. So just tap on install, give it to settings, allow, and then install. It does take up a bit of time to install the APK of Google camera. Once it's installed, you need to go back. Don't open the app yet. Then you need to see that you have the XML file or not. So in my case, I have the XML file in this Telegram. So let me show you. In downloads, in Telegram, I have this XML file. So what you need to do is you need to open the Google camera. Now once you have opened the Google camera, give it all the settings. Okay, even location this time you can give it. Now allow, everything done. Now once it's done, tap on done and then double tap on the blank area. How to enable config? Let me just show you one more time with a bit look with like a little closer. So you need to double tap on the blank area. So just double tap here. Once you double tap on the blank area, like there you go, you will get this download option. In download, go in Telegram. In Telegram, use the config which I have downloaded. I have actually downloaded the same config 4 times. I don't know why, by mistake. So you can choose this. Once you have done that, now the config is working. But as I told you, there are settings you need to do. So go in settings. Now once you go in settings, what you need to do is scroll down, and here there is an option called focus tracking video. Make sure you always disable this, never enable this option. And here you can enable this audio zoom option. It is a very good option for a lot of devices, and it works for the Poco X3 Pro. Now go in advanced. In advanced, you need to enable this RAW plus JPEG control, and you need to scroll down and see that there is an option which is called camera photo resolution. Make sure it is always to full resolution, never to medium, because medium saves up storage but it is very bad quality. So once you have downloaded all of that, go back, and now your camera is set up. And you have to just disable this raw option. I don't like raw options a lot, so disable that. And you know what, this Gcam port has a stabilization in video recording, and it can shoot 4K at 60 fps with stabilization, with like incredibly awesome quality. So that is the best part. And you can also shoot a lot of videos. You can shoot portrait mode. Lots of you guys were saying that the portrait mode isn't working in the front camera, so I'm gonna show you that it does work. Actually, there is no problem in the portrait mode. So it also has this fade smoothing option which works. So let me just show you the portrait mode working. So I've taken a quick portrait photo. I know it's not the best, but look at that. Portrait mode is working in the front camera. It's a live example. And then some guys were saying that the selfie isn't working in the front camera. So let me just show you that as well. So let's take a selfie. There you go, and as you guys can see, the selfie came out pretty damn awesome. So yes, both the things are working, portrait mode and the selfie. So never think like my videos are bad. They're actually the best tutorial on YouTube, like for the Poco X3 Pro, to get the best quality of Gcam. And the best part about this Gcam is, let me just bring up my old clock. That is, if you double tap here, it will zoom. So there is a double tap to zoom feature as well. And the quality of the photos even after zooming is lossless. It's just so good. It doesn't take up so much time, and look at the quality. Wow, that's awesome, isn't it? So that's also great. And yeah, it just has a lot of nice stuff in this Gcam. You can just take photos of objects like these Mivi earpods. It works absolutely awesome. So yeah, the best part about this Gcam is its white balance. The white balancing is great in this. Just look at that. It's actually pure white. I don't know, my camera is unable to pick up. Then we have the ultra wide angle camera, which is working as well. A lot of you guys might again say that it isn't working. It is working. Live example I'm showing you so that you can believe me better. So let's go back And that's the ultra wide angle image. As you guys can see, it is actually pretty good quality as well. You can kind of read the quads there, so that's also awesome. And we also have the macro camera working, which is 0.9x. So let me just try to tap on the macro camera and show you the image. So let's try to take an image of the table from 0.9x. So there you go. And yeah, look at that, macro camera is as well working. So overall, in all, every camera is working. Even you can record videos with 4K from the macro camera. I wouldn't recommend that. So yeah, 4K at 60 fps is working, macro camera is working, incredibly awesome results. So overall, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you do, make sure you smash the like button, and subscribing is very important because I love making videos about the Poco X3 Pro. Maybe some other good Gcam port will come and I will tell you about that as well. So make sure you subscribe, and that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.